Yes. Just glide. Let it glide, Kai.
Ba't dito kayo nag-hintay?
Push. Yes. Matututo man to agad.
Feeling ko nga, kaya nga need practice. Ayun, o tinataas niya na yung paa niya, Tot.
Yes, slide, slide, slide. You can do it. To the side, Kayus, not to the front. Side.
Nakita mo pa yung ganyan-ganyan niya.
Like this, Kayus. Kayus. Yes, yes, very good step. Yes, you're moving already. See? Wow!
Wow, we're so proud of you.
See, you're moving already. Not too far, mommy.
I'm so happy for you, Kai. Come on. Look what Papa's gonna do.
Like this.
Oh, go to Papa's ribbit.
Uy, you're pushing me.
See? Tirit, tirit, tirit.
Push me, push. Oh.
Go.
Push me.
Galing na siya mag-balance ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Uy!
Oh, at least hindi siya umiiyak. Hindi kagaya ng last.
Hold me.
Hindi po pagaya nina.
Ah, nung last.
Push. Connect mo yung paa niya to. Kayus, push me.
Push Papa's ribbit.
Like this, like this. Let's walk together.